guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be trying to pass this Obby. It's a really hard part for 5 minutes, so the timer lapse. Why do you want me to get a ticket then? I don't know why this game is broken, but it just is. Probably like super old. It's like Escape the Hospital or something. Let's do the intro again. Hey guys! Well, no! This one's like annoying. You can never pass it. Are you gonna join ever? I spammed shift and sticky keys popped up. I don't like sticky keys. I'm probably gonna disable it. And if I can't disable it, I'm probably just gonna, when I get my gaming PC, get rid of this computer from my set. No, I'm not gonna smash it. It still has, like, stuff. My dad's gonna take it and store pictures on it. Like he did to the Windows 7. And he could just print all the pictures out. So that I have storage to actually get stuff like the computer. Like, there's like only 4 gigabytes left, and what am I supposed to do with that? No, I don't want no gravity. Stop asking me. I can't. Oh my! I'll click yes, and then just leave me alone. I'm so mad right now. I literally am so mad. I'm just gonna end the video. I'm going to end the video. This game's quality is so low, and I can't even finish the obby because they decided to make this weird glitch here. Or they put no. Stop asking me if I want low gravity. I already said yes. Why do you keep asking me? I literally own low gravity because I clicked yes. There you go, low gravity. Boom. So simple. I literally could get low gravity for clicking yes. That's such a bad glitch. Oh my god, it's Gaming with Cat. Just kidding, all Gaming with Cat is the worst channel on YouTube, and I do not want to watch his videos. They're just so cringe. But I mean, if you're some 5-year-old, I'd expect you to be watching that. Because you don't know what channel is good on YouTube, and that's okay. And if you're watching my channel, thank you. Please subscribe. Should I go for air conditioner? Yep. I went for the air conditioner. Oh wait, you have to do the entire thing again? I didn't know. Well, that sucks, because I am bad at ventilation obbies. I only have like a minute left. I'm seeing you spend 5 minutes trying to do this. And later today I'll do a longer video because I have to do work. So go this way. Boom. That easy. Boom. We escaped that part. And this video ends as soon as it hits 5 minutes. No, I fell. You're taking me back to the vent? Okay. That was a close one. No, I fell. Flamingo. If you're not too proud of that, well, see you guys. It's been 5 minutes. Bye.